Beat my glue.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's SHIRAAZ and welcome back to my channel. So for this video today, I have Chabeli Pacheco. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm great. So in Mauritius, we speak Creole. So the slang itself is in Creole, but I'm going to translate it literally to English, and hopefully you'll be able to understand or guess what it is. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. But before that, I have someone else with us, and it's Omar Bolaji.
Where'd I go?
Here.
I'm like, I don't know what's happening.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Great. Yo, people love you in Mauritius. They actually
Really?
did. Yeah.
Very cool. Okay, that's good to hear.
I'm funnier, but she's fun too.
Okay.
Alright, so first word is Lamisik. Should I invite him? Of course you should, he's your dry homie.
What? That didn't help at all whatsoever. Of course you should.
He's your dry homie.
That can mean a lot. Yeah, like.
It means someone who's very close to you.
Oh
Someone
my
who's very reliable, always got you back.
So how does a dry army relate to someone being close?
Beats me,
Okay,
I have
cool.
no freaking clue.
Cool, makes sense. Still trying to figure. Yeah, I'm just like try army.
But I'm not sure it's still on around now, but that's...
So no, it's like said by adults and children.
I don't know.
I was like, you gotta be wet.
Young me, wait. Oh yeah, that's so funny you say. It's like Huawei or something. It doesn't mean anything.
Well, wait, because
Alright, second slang is tiens te manger. Remove your food.
I don't know.
What did you say? Watch out, I remove your food now.
What? Whoa, wait. Lose your soul. You got it, exactly. Yes. It's like a thread, right?
Yeah. Watch out, I remove your food.
Fuck you up. No? Yeah. Wait, really? Wait, that's so fucking cute.
It means I'm gonna cause a great deal of stress to you.
Yeah. I need to chip a monster.
Alright, third word. Bate lakol. Which means beat the glue.
Beat the glue.
Beat the glue.
Beat the glue. Beat the glue? Is it like beat a dead horse?
What?
Because beating the glue would be like beating something that's just stuck.
Okay, I didn't think so.
This is so funny. Okay, context, you did that. Yes. Okay.
He's not here right now. He's busy beating his glue to the hot teacher. Yeah, what does it mean?
Masturbating. Okay, obviously there's only one explanation. Wait, what else could it be then? Like,
It means like sucking ass.
oh,
It's like either flirting or getting some
okay,
good
that
side.
makes sense.
You know?
Okay.
Like that person is beating the glue.
Okay.
Not good.
Beat my glue.
Oh my god.
I like it. You'd be like, I want him to beat my glue.
No.
Word number 4. Sinoi.
New Chinese.
New Chinese. Whoa, that could mean a lot. Oh no, actually. I think like
What were you gonna say?
something that's fake.
This is
Never
the
mind.
one.
I don't know when
Say it,
Nigeria
say it,
like
say it.
Chinese things are like fake things that are made.
That is,
Yeah, that's kind of when I was like.
that is actually very accurate.
Yeah, they make them in China, fake things, and they sell it in.
It's like the context was
Yeah.
I confronted him, but he acted like a new Chinese.
So he acted like he didn't know.
Exactly, acting as if you don't know anything.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
That was completely off.
Assuming that all Chinese are fake.
Dude, that's like This is what it's like it's so common. Oh, do you still use that? Yeah. Here's the thing, in Mauritius this is not like we have a lot of racial undertone in our humor, but we don't realize it's actually racial undertones. It's like we're completely blind to it. So
Like new Chinese.
Yeah, when I first came to New York, I was making so many jokes about race and genders. It was just not sensitive at all. And I was
Especially
like,
when you, people are probably like, woo!
Yeah.
word number 5 is prend nissa,
Okay.
which translates to don't take high.
What? Wait. Don't take high.
Don't take high.
Don't take like a hello, like a greeting or something?
No.
You're right.
Don't
So-
take like high.
Don't take high from him. That's the context. Hey, don't take high from him.
Don't listen to his shit. Okay.
We always say a and we always say la.
Why?
A doesn't mean anything and la doesn't mean anything, but it's such a Mauritian thing to
A,
do.
la.
It's like that table, you add a la after the table. Like in French, the table is la table. How do you say it in Spanish?
Mesa.
La mesa. La mesa, and then it's gonna be like la mesa la. It means stop pulling his leg.
Wait, what does that mean?
Oh wait, what? Pulling his leg. Like don't stop pulling his leg. It means
Stop joking.
stop joking around. Like stop making fun of him.
It's not really joking around, it's like making fun of him more.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you're taking the high from him.
Okay. Word
Okay,
number
way to go to Mauritius.
I'll be so cute.
Word number 6. Gratter senti.
Sounds like French.
Which means, well, I mean, Creole is kind of a bit like French.
But it's a mix
We were
of-
French colony,
Yeah.
so all former French colonies have this group of like slaves that brought their own like language and mixed up with different languages surrounding them. If that makes sense. Like Haiti would have a different Creole.
I was just
but
gonna
still-
give that
It would
example.
still be
like
Creole,
Haiti.
but it would have a different sound to it because they
Yeah.
have different influences. So we have
Yeah.
different influences in our country.
Yes.
Yeah. So, scratching and sniffing.
I immediately think of a dog.
Hey! Again. Hey! What did you do today? Oh, I was just scratching and sniffing.
Oh yeah, like doing whatever.
Yeah! Anything,
Yeah.
Word number 7. Grandnoir. He's a big black. I don't really like him. He's a big black.
I don't really like him. He's a big black.
Back in Mauritius, it's not offensive. You don't use it in a context to describe a black person.
Yeah.
It means to be full of oneself, to feel superior to everyone else.
Oh, interesting.
I mean, I just think it's funny because it's the opposite of what you would say.
Right? Isn't it? Isn't it?
I mean, and then that makes me think like how are black people in Mauritius perceived as?
There is a passive aggressiveness in Mauritius when it comes to race. When I first came, I used to think that we didn't care about race. Like we were blind to race. We don't give a shit if you're black or white.
Yeah.
But it's not the case. It's like, for example, the blacks, they'd be called the Creoles, even though we're all really Creole. Yeah, exactly. Isn't that freaking offensive? Like, look at its.SHIRAAZ. Like, look at this people. We forget where the roots of the words are from. So they don't have the same context anymore. So it's like reappropriated to something else. If you say things like that, you're normalizing bad things. This was the tips of the day. Be racially sensitive, people. We can be better than this. Alright, last and final word. Cheksamino. Check out that noodle. Check out that noodle.
That totally means like look at that hot person.
Really?
Yeah! Noodle!
Does that mean that being skinny is the best?
Yeah, I think like a skinny person.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's something that someone would catcall someone else. So the noodle is usually a girl. So check out that noodle is like, look at this chick. Check out this chick.
No. Check out that noodle.
So, what do you think of Mauritian slang?
I would love to learn more about it.
And like the origin of like certain things. That's
Yeah.
Just like,
So I think that's a really good way of like thinking about things we take for granted. That's for another video, but if you guys enjoyed it, thought it was funny, Give us this big thumbs up. We're probably going to do a part 2. I have enough for part 2 as well. Let me know what I missed in the comment section below. This is Chablis. This is Bologi. And you were on It's SHIRAAZ on YouTube. Bye!